Prepare your tools and then make yourself familiar with all the parts of your tap. Open the box containing your tap, take the boiler out of the box and packaging, and keep your box containing the filter close by. Take the metal nut, metal washer and rubber washer off the bottom of the tap and insert the tap into place by feeding the hoses through the hole in your worktop or sink. Once the tap is in place, put the rubber washer back first, then the metal washer, and tighten into place by using the metal nut. Once tightened into place, screw the 2 screws to secure the tap tightly to your worktop or sink. Connect hose number 6 and number 5 to the boiler unit by removing the blue and red caps first. If a washer has been provided, please use before connecting. Connect the metal T to your mains cold water pipe. Connect hose marked number 1 that comes from your tap to the metal T. Take hose number 7 from the box and also connect this to the metal T. Connect the hose marked number 2 to your mains hot water supply. Take the 1/4 inch plastic fitting and screw to the end of hose number 4. Take the 1/4 inch plastic pipe and connect this to hose number 4 by removing the blue clip first. Once the pipe has been fully inserted, put the blue clip back into place to secure the connection. Take the plastic T-piece and insert the 3/8 and 1/4 inch plastic pipes into the T-piece by removing the blue clips first. Then connect hose number 3 to the plastic T-piece. Then attach the blue clips back into place to secure. Take the filter housing unit and unscrew both filter compartments. Remove the blue clips that are used to secure the hoses and keep them safe. Remove the filters from their packaging and place them into the housing units as marked. Fix the filters back into place by screwing them into the housing unit. Attach the filter housing unit to the back of the back wall of your cupboard using 2 screws. Make sure the height will allow you to reconnect the filters. Connect hose number 7 into the inlet side of the filter housing. Take the 3/8 inch pipe and connect to the outlet side of the filter housing. Then attach the blue clips back into place to secure. Turn your mains water supply back on and check all the connections to make sure there are no leaks. Turn on the normal hot and cold tap to the right-hand side. Then turn on the filtered cold water to test and run this for around 30 seconds to flush the filter. Turn on the boiling tap until the water runs normally through the tap to fill the boiler. Switch the boiler on and leave it to boil. Empty the boiler using the boiling tap and let it refill and boil again. Please repeat this twice before use.